Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a short tutorial. I don't have makeup on, so it's not going to be about beauty. It's mainly going to be a tutorial, like a hack. And I've been getting a lot of requests to do this video, so this is something that I learned the hard way over the years. I'm sure a lot of people already know about this, but I came across it kind of late in life, so are you having trouble covering your dark circles? Be honest. Be honest. Yes. With just concealer? Yes. Yes. Okay, you are. Okay. Then this video is for you. So, first off, let me start by telling you that it is okay to have dark circles. I have dark circles. I've had them since I was a kid. Matter of fact, growing up and in my 20s, they were worse than this. I never got any sleep. I ran myself ragged, worked several jobs, and it really showed. So you have to be, don't be so hard on yourself. Not everybody wakes up looking like a Barbie doll, and that's okay. Sometimes it's hereditary. Sometimes it's, your diet, your stress levels. So we do what we can, and we make the best of it. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. Next, I'm going to show you how to cover it up. Fake it till you make it, right? Okay, so what a lot of people do is they get their favorite concealer. They'll spend a lot of money on concealer. They're like, oh my God, you can still see my circles. What is going on? I'm going to show you why. Because the concealer by itself doesn't cover the discoloration that's going on underneath. So I'm going to do one half of my face with the color correcting, which is what you need, and then the other half with just the concealer to show you. Okay, let's get started. So, what concealer am I going to use today? I try to get ready before I do these videos, but it doesn't always work out. Anyway, okay. So, concealer, I'm using Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape in the color Light Sand. And I'm just going to put it here and there. I'm not doing my entire face. We're just concentrating on covering these circles. So remember, that's just this quick video of what it's about. So you're going to get your sponge. You're going to cover it. Now, because you're adding, concealer is lighter than your skin, right? That's the whole idea, is to brighten the under eyes. And because you're adding this lighter color under your eyes, where you have this darker discoloration, there's a little bit of a shadow. So it's kind of obvious that something has been done there that's not really natural. And throughout the day, it's just going to end up looking worse and worse. So you have to correct the coloration and even it out, cancel it out before you add that light color on top. So if you're light skin tone like me, you're going to be going for a salmon or a peach color concealer or corrector. This one I'm using here is probably my favorite. It goes on the best. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal. There it is backwards, but you know what I'm talking about. High definition concealer. It's like super creamy and it stays on, and it's got this little brush. So wherever you're at, you can just... but if you are darker, you're going to want to use like an orange. Depending on how dark you are, you can use an orange, dark orange, even red. Okay? Never, ever, ever use green or purple or yellow when you are covering up your dark circles. You can use yellow to brighten them after you've canceled out the dark circle. But yeah, don't do that. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit here, and this is my color corrector. And see, it's not light. It's because my skin right there is dark underneath the veins and stuff. It almost looks like my skin. It's like magic. So you're gonna get your sponge and you're going to blend it in. Okay. Can you see that? Can you guys see that? The lighting in here is terrible. I'm not at my studio. I'm literally in my vanity room at home. But you see that shadow? It's like, oh my gosh. And then over here, see, shadow, no shadow. And I haven't even put the concealer on yet. So what we've done is we've canceled out what's going on underneath the skin. So we've solved the problem. Now, you don't ever want to leave this on your skin like that because obviously it's a peachy color, salmon color, whatever the color corrector is that you're using. It's not going to match the rest of your face. Like up close, you can't really see it because I have it blended well and this light is so freaking bright. Let me see. Oh, well, that didn't help at all. Okay, nope. All right, well, anyways, my lighting in here is not very great, but you can see what I'm talking about as far as this shadow being gone. So I'm gonna come in with my Shape Tape now to brighten it, now that I've canceled out that discoloration. So now I'm going to blend this. Let's see if I can see. Still doing that thing with my mouth. I don't know why. I cannot do makeup with my mouth closed for some reason. It's annoying. Okay. So there we go. Can you see it? So this looks more natural. See? Depending on how dark your circles are, you might have to do a couple of applications, and that's okay. Now, I don't even have the foundation on. I got a phone call. I don't even have the foundation on, so let me put foundation on. I'm just going to be using a full coverage powder foundation. Super Stay Maybelline. Cheap stuff. I like it though. It lasts 16 hours. Pretty dang good. And this is in the shade Classic Ivory. I used it a lot in my videos. But anyways. So this is just to blend it in with the rest of my skin, right? So, can you see it? Can you see the difference? A little bit of a shadow. It's bright. No lie, it's bright. But you can see that shadow underneath. You can tell that I covered something up. And then over here, it's not as bright. It just looks kind of natural. There's no shadow there, you know. FYI, if you have bags under your eyes, this is not gonna solve your problem. Nothing makeup wise is gonna take your bags away, because that is protruding outwards from your skin as far as like this way, and it's not gonna hide that. You're still gonna be able to see it. I've had bags also since I was a little kid. You know, this is strictly for discoloration underneath your eyes. And matter of fact, You can kind of tell it makes the bag look a little bit worse. You can see this line here. So anyway, hope that made sense, and sorry the lighting sucks, but I hope you can still see it. Text me if you have any questions. Text me. Get out of here. Y'all don't have my phone number? Oh my God. Email me or comment below if you have any questions. Let me know if this video made sense. I'll take a before and after photo. Let's see. No. Now it's just showing every single bump on my face, including my pimple that I got from I don't even know where or why. Oh, there you go. You can see it all white. That cast. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.